morning, everyone. My name is Taryn from Eastlight Community Homes. We're a community gateway which is based in the east of England with approximately 12,500 homes in Essex, Suffolk and Norfolk. As a customer-led organisation, we were really interested in Unloc as a product as we wanted to improve our customer, contractor and staff experience when accessing our properties. First-time access for us would also help us to improve our compliance performance and help to deliver various services across our estates. We hear the age-old justification from cleaning contractors that they can't get into our communal areas, and they use that as justification to support missed cleaning schedules, as one example. We also pride ourselves on being an ambitious and innovative organisation with an aspiration to be a digital landlord by 2027. So when DINLabs opened up this pilot back in the summer, it was definitely something that we wanted to be a part of, and hence threw ourselves into it. The pilot for us, to be honest, was relatively smooth sailing. We put a data sharing agreement into place with Unloc very quickly at the start of the pilot, and we then moved on to the installs. So we installed 2 locks on two of our communal areas, and then we also did the 5 installs on 5 of our void properties. And again, that whole process was pretty good going, pretty smooth sailing, and that was down to, I suppose, our portfolio of housing stock. We don't have many converted street properties, which Sarah was referencing earlier. And also, as Richard touched on in his presentation, the use of standardised lots across the majority of our homes. So once Richard and our in-house team met on site to do the installs, it took no longer than 30 minutes to get all of the locks installed on our doors. Following that, our approach as part of this pilot was to get our frontline teams familiar with and using the Unloc app. Initially, like with any new project, any change to existing process, the teams were reluctant, but with the help of Marcus and Chris and the Unloc team, we were able to sell the benefits, show the control centre to the team, show them how to download apps onto their phones, which people know how to do anyway. But once they saw genuinely how easy Unloc as a product is to use, we did see an increase in the usage of the app. And the feedback we now get from the team is Unloc as a product, as an app, it is safe, it is secure, and it's effortless. And it really is that easy to use and install. So with the frontline teams, I suppose now on board and being familiar, like I say, with using the Unloc app, next steps for us, we're going to continue to work with the wonderful Marcus, Richard, Chris. As I said, their support has been invaluable throughout the pilot, and we're looking to install Unloc across another additional 20 blocks. So with the support of Unloc and with frontline teams being familiar with the technology, we're going to start to involve our customers on this next phase of our Unloc journey and get customers, like I say, involved in using the app. So in terms of our learnings, we've still got a few bits to learn once we bring customers along the journey with us. And there are no doubt going to be a few unknown challenges ahead. But like I say, we've got the Unloc team and we've got our frontline staff. So we're perfectly positioned, we believe, to help educate our customers on this journey. And then lastly, I know there has been conversation today around installing Unloc on boiler rooms, lift rooms in terms of gaining access. What we have discovered, and working closely with our housing management team, we have a number of guest rooms in our sheltered accommodation. and our current approach to access and security on those guest rooms, it's not fit for purpose. So this next stage, which is kicking off next week with the Unloc team, we are looking to install Unloc on guest room doors to try and restrict access. So from a safety and security perspective for guests who are staying overnight in sheltered accommodation. So yeah, that's pretty much it from me at Eastlight. It's been a great 12-week pilot, and we're looking forward to the next stage of the journey with Unloc.